my children to come with me. Where's my children? My children to come with me.
Nagpaalam na siya.
Ladies and gentlemen, for 38 years now, the Gusi Peace Prize has been here in Manila, Philippines, through the mandate of the Presidential Proclamation 1476, which has been signed by then former President Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo. And for the first time, after the COVID, we have done in Istanbul, Turkey. And next year, we will be doing this in Tokyo, Japan. I couldn't pick the right words how I would appreciate your presence, because your presence means a lot tonight for me, and especially for those who made this event successful tonight. I couldn't pick the right words how I would appreciate the blessings from the Lord God, the cooperation of the Filipino people, Asia, and the whole world. There are sadness, joy, success, failure, tears that shed in my eyes. The loss of my wife, and she left me with my 4 children, Miko, Marcos Nicolas, Maria Ivanta, and Maria Conchitina. This is the only living children I've got in the Philippines, but no one. And I will assure that despite of the day-to-day way of our lives, we will never give up to continue the Gusi Peace Prize, because Gusi Peace Prize is not only for the Filipino people, it's not only for the Asian people, but for the entire world. And I will stand and deliver. I will assure that all of you will be sharing the essence of peace, of life, of the world, because of my continuing work for peace. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight, Glory in Excelsius Video, let us welcome the Gusi Peace Prize International like a kantikong lubong. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. For my Spanish relatives that are here, la presencia de todos los españoles esta noche es un honor y placer para nosotros, particularmente por el Premio Gusi de la Paz, for the effort of the Thai people, the Arab people, the Nepalese people, but much more, the Indian people and the Filipino people. Once again, thank you so very much. Thank you so very much. God bless us all.